Papa, you called?
Yes, Alice. Sit.
Papa, is everything all right? You look troubled.
My daughter, you see, I have watched you grow from that little baby to a woman. And I'm super proud. I'm proud. I consider that a blessing to me. Soon, men will start coming for your hand here in marriage. I do not want you to make a mistake.
Papa, I am not planning to make any mistake. Because this is a lifetime commitment. And it's only a foolish woman who will take it for a joke. I won't.
Well, I know I did not raise a foolish daughter. You see, usually what to consider for ever going into marriage, especially in this 21st century, is not love, rather the size of the man's pocket. There are those who believe that money cannot buy love. But you agree with me that it is better to love a successful man than end up with a man that will add to your life's problems. See, love is better professed with full stomach.
Papa, if you're worried about me bringing in a poor man in this house, then there is nothing to worry about. Absolutely. Because your daughter, Alice, is going to marry a very wealthy man.
Eh?
Very rich man.
That's my daughter. Adam there.
Papa.
Now I'm happy. Now you are talking. Case close. Case close. There's only saying anything again. We have completed everything about this issue. Case closed. I've heard everything I want to hear.
So relax yourself. Don't worry too much.
I'm happy now.
Can I go?
Go inside. Go inside.
All right.
That's my daughter.
Desperation,
So, what did you tell your father after telling you that rich man or nothing?
I agreed with him.
You did what?
Of course I agreed with him. You don't expect me after suffering in my father's house. I'll go to his husband's house and I'll talk to him. Is that possible?
Hi, Alice, you are funny. Very funny.
Ali. 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 How are you?
She's fine.
She's fine. I know. She's fine. Ali, can I have a word with you in Zubby?
Why? Why should I have a word with you?
Why? Ali, you know the other day I told you that I want us to be Romeo and Juliet, things and things, but you didn't say anything. So let me try again today.
And I remember telling you that I am not interested.
You said that out of anger. Maybe. Ali, see, I will take good care of you. All my labor, all my hustling is for me and you to be husband and wife. And I mean it.
Just save this sermon. How are you going to take care of me? Eh?
Very simple.
You are just an ordinary farmer. You feed from your hand to your mouth. How will you take care of me now? How?
Hey, point of correction. I am not ordinary farmer. I'm a big farmer. And I don't feed from hand to mouth. I feed from plate to mouth. For me and you. In future. Ali, give me a chance. You won't regret it. I mean it.
What is that your name again?
Eh?
Kedafa, your same here?
Ego di Nogu. But I want to change it. The Ego di Noba.
Almost also. Ego di Nogu or Ego di Nancy. Whatever your name is. If you stop me on the road and vomit this nonsense again, I will disgrace you. I have told you before and I'm not going to tell you again. I am not interested. Don't stop me again and vomit this nonsense from your mouth. Shebi is your friend. Talk to him now. If you stop me, I'll embarrass you.
give me a try.
I embarrass you. I'll use my hand and blind your eyes.
If I don't make it today, I'll make it one day. Just give me a try.
Don't stop me again.
Mabasi.
Ali, I will not warn you again.
If I don't make it today, one day I will make it. Don't,
Alice!
Hey, talk to her.
Don't worry, I'll talk to her. I'll talk to her. Don't worry.
Ali!
But the price they are calling is too expensive for a village land. No. How? How can you buy a village land for 8 million? It's not even a city land. Mbano. That's not right. It's not right. Yeah, listen, let me tell you the truth. If I buy... Yeah? Okay.
Alice, it's really not fair. It's really not fair. That's the wrong way to respond to a man that is interested in you.
I don't care.
So that's how you've been rude to men?
Yes, and that is how I will continue to be rude to them till they leave me alone. Chioma, check it now. I came from a poor home and you want me to end up with a poor man. How is that possible?
See, I understand you. But you say you should know now. That man did not make himself poor.
I don't care. If he wants to be with a girl like me, he should go and make money and then come back and talk to me about relationship. Solicito, please be going. I don't want to get angry now. Just be going.
Alice,
Hello. Excuse me. Yeah, you?
What is it?
I'm talking to you.
What is it?
I saw you coming from afar off. And I like you so much. Can we be friends?
You saw me coming from a distance.
Yeah.
And you like me.
Mm-hmm.
I am not interested.
No. Oh, hold on. Hang on.
Touch me. Did you just touch me?
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, but I mean well. I'll be nice to you. Come now. Why are you angry? Wait. I mean it. Let me not go do for you. So wait. Calm down, baby. Calm down. I'll make it. Calm down.
You don't like it. I'm warning you now. If I release my dog now, If I release this dog now, you don't like it.
Let the dog bite me. Make the dog bite you. Wait, babe, calm down now. Why is the verse like this now? My God. Why is this girl hot tempered? Me and you today. Hey. Wait now. Babe, open the gates. Open the gates now. Babe, please now. Babe, open these gates now.
Jesus. What did Jesus do to you? And why do you want to bring down my gate?
I'm sorry, sir.
That is not the answer to my question.
Sir, my name is Emeka. I am single and searching. I saw your daughter and I like her. So I want to be her friend, sir. Maybe something might come out of it tomorrow. You never can tell. But I'm not here playing, sir. I'm serious. I really mean to be with her. I'm not actually here playing, sir. I really like her. And something good might come out of this.
It doesn't matter how you get her, all she wants the money. If you want this love to last you.
I hope you know they don't search with the empty pocket. And I hope you came here with your pocket well loaded.
By the grace of God, sir.
She wants the money. She not go chop love at all. The money she wants to comfortable life. Chop money.
So tell me, what exactly do you want from me?
I want a relationship with you.
relationship.
Yeah?
Just a relationship.
Let's start with relationship, and it might blossom into marriage, like I told your dad.
All right. I'll think about it and get back to you.
Thank you. So, when?
Weekend, maybe.
Okay. Can I have your number?
Yeah, sure. 070 64 32.
Yes, your intentions are good. But you know I'm not the one to take decision here. She is the one you came to marry, and she will decide for herself.
I know, Papa. But I just need you to influence her a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yes, I can, but I won't.
Why?
This is marriage. You do not force someone into it now.
I know, Papa, but I'm not asking you to force her. I'm just saying, as a father, convince her for me. Just convince her and let me, convince her. She will listen.
But okay, no. You, bro, young man, you know how these things are done now. You know these things. You're a young man. I might not say Kaja. You understand? You know what a young man like you do now. I'm going to start explaining everything to you.
Okay, Papa. I understand. I figure you want me to find my way around myself. I'll figure it out.
Now you know what I'm talking about.
Alright, Papa. Thank you very much. I'll try my best. I'll do my best, Papa. Okay, sir. I'll be taking my leave now, sir. Thank you, Papa.
Nabago. Dalu came. I saw the cola, but I was thinking maybe this thing can be monetized. I can say my friend there in this 21st century. Imam, you know.
I will, sir. I will. I'll find my way around. Thank you, Papa.
Welcome. No.
Thank you.
No.
Let my wife to be.
Okay, man, I'm like over there. All right.
She wants to make Papa happy. Comfortable life.
For the first time in my life, I am having feelings for a guy who has not spent money on me and my father. Alice, what is wrong with you? Wake up from this dream. Is it really all about money? The answer could be yes or no. Well, let's see how it goes.
She not go chop love at all. Na money she want to. Comfortable life. Chop money. Chop. Baby see at the job. All she wants money. But you know do pass yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Quick one. My name is Emeka, and I'll prefer you call me Emeka. Okay?
Okay.
Can we go somewhere nice and have a nice time?
Sorry. I was actually busy inside before I called. I wanted to tell you that I have accepted to be your friend.
Oh, wow. That's the biggest news of the year. Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I get a harmless hug? Go ahead. Oh. Okay, before you go, just I have something for you. Just keep this. It's for you. Just get whatever you want.
For me?
Take it. It's all yours. Another hug, please. Can I take? Another hug. Let me come for it now, okay? Thank you for saying yes, okay? Thank you.
It's okay.
I'll see you tomorrow. Another banger.
Alice. Ali. Alice.
I went to see Emeka and he gave me this. Papa, what can make a mentor?
You got Manya. On the bed in a changa.
But I can't get Otanga. Which one is Sanga?
You don't understand him out. Let me keep it for you.
Papa, I'm not a baby now. Don't worry, I know where to keep it.
But my daughter, you not keep all the money. You know now. You not keep all the money.
Don't worry, I'll give you some. Come down.
Okay, come back here.
Papa, there is something I want to talk to you about.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I have said yes to the man that is asking me out.
Which one?
Emeka.
The one that has one car?
Yes.
You will not marry him. Do you want me to record this as a song and play to your hearing every day that you must marry a wedding man?
Papa, I like him.
Did you say likeness? Is it likeness that will feed you at the end of the day when you eventually marry him? Is it likeness that I use in roofing this house you have been living in with me for so many years? Is it likeness that I use in training you up to this full-grown woman that you are now, that you are telling me a man wants to come and marry you? Still before your father. Which Emeka? Is it the one that brought one miserable bottle of drink for me here, disrespecting your own father? And you are telling me about like, is that not enough reason for you not to want to marry him? You will not marry him.
Papa, I already said yes to him. So please, let's not drag it. I beg you.
Father, I've spoken. You will not marry him, period.
Clinton Jack. Emeka from the east side. Aka Jack. My man from way back. How is life?
Oh, well, fine.
What of your girl?
Showing me love.
I see.
Feeling the beauty of familyhood.
I can see that.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You need to also start thinking that way, man. You need to build a family, man.
I don't even go there. That is the least of my worry. Honestly. Is it family? That is the least of my worry. Listen, bro. Men are hustling to make more money. And you're talking about family and marriage. Come on, Faith.
That means you don't know the importance of family.
You're getting it twisted right here. Do you understand? Listen, I perfectly understand the importance of family. But then, I want to make more money. A very big money that will enable me take care of my family to any length whenever I get married.
Give me a break, Clinton. You have everything it takes to make a family happy. Look at it. You have money. What other money do you need?
Okay. Chaloka mwage. Enwele ego. Mwekwe ego. Enwele ako. Mwako netibu ndilo. That is the kind of money I want. With time you will understand. Please let's go inside and discuss over the wisdom of this whiskey. You will understand.
Akajack my west.
My brother. Can I buy any magic bankata?
My God, when you have a cable, nah man, the bar, really okay. Listen, that guy is a big fool. Yes, he made me burn my fuel all the way from here to his house. Yeah, only to tell me, oh, I was only making inquiries. Exactly. You would have just made the inquiries on the phone. So what's it saying? Omo, the guy is a fool. Big one. Yeah. I mean, he should have just done it on the phone.
Daddy.
Oh, my baby. Hi, son. Let me call you back, okay? Princess, sing. How was school today?
It was fine.
Okay, so what did you study? What did you learn? I know you learned
We
something.
learned a lot of things. In fact, let me show you my
I trust you.
Yes, what are you doing there? Now go inside and change your uniform. Go inside, then.
Okay, then let's go inside and see you, okay? Hey, what is it?
Emeka, I do not like the school that my kids are attending. I don't like that school.
But that's what we can afford for now. Right? With time, we are going to upgrade.
You keep saying this nonsense every day. Nothing come out, nothing to show for it. You have to change the school. You say this thing, this same thing, you keep repeating it every blessed day.
So what school do you have in mind?
What kind of a useless question is that? Like you don't know the beautiful schools around. Maybe Confidence Academy or Intellectual Giants.
My God, those are expensive schools. 700k per term. Multiplied by 2 kids, 1.4 million. And 3 times in a year. What do you get?
These kids are our children. Nothing is too big for them. So because of 1.4 million, you want to bring down this house now? Eh?
I know, baby, okay? But it's unnecessary luxury for us right now. With time, we are going to upgrade. Why don't we just take a step at a time?
Emeka, that school is below our children's standard. So the better you start thinking of how to put them in a better school, the better for us. Change them from that school. Do you want to again echo? What nonsense? Do you want to again echo?
What is she talking about?
Wake up, I want to talk to you. Wake up. You're even snoring.
Can't it wait till tomorrow?
No, you cannot wait till tomorrow. It's a matter of life and death, so you cannot wait. Biko, get up.
Life and death?
Yes, life and death.
Alright. I'm listening.
Emeka, who was that guy we met at the boutique today?
I told you he's my friend.
You told me he is your friend. You are not even ashamed of yourself. You even had the guts to open your stinking mouth to tell me that he is your friend. Eh?
Oh God. But do you know how he made his money?
Do you know how he made his money? Emeka, how did he make his money that you cannot make? Eh? How? You're a full-grown man. You are capable. Emeka, if you want to make money, you will make money. Yes! You have all it takes to make money. I will advise you to talk to your friend. Beg him to help you. Emeka, beg your friend to link you up. You're being too lazy and it's annoying me.
Oh gosh. Alice, I'm not interested in this line of business. I'm comfortable in life.
And I am not comfortable. Emeka, I am not comfortable in life. How can you say you are comfortable when comfort is not even comfortable? Emeka, look at the kind of school that your kids attend. You have driven your gura for over 12 good years. Nothing to show for it. Emeka, wait, let me ask you this question. Are you using charm on me?
What?
Yes, it's a question. Are you using charm on me because I don't understand anything? Emeka, you have that kind of friend and we've been suffering for over 12 years now, Emeka.
Listen, I am not interested in this line of business. I am comfortable in life.
Emeka, what do you call comfort? Is this thing you're living now, this thing we are living, is it life? Eh? What is the business that your friend is doing that you cannot do? Austin, I'm comfortable. Emeka, this is no joke. You better go and meet your friend. Speak to him to link you up. Don't provoke me. You have suffered me enough. You have such a wealthy friend and we cannot even afford 3 square meals a day. So I'm comfortable in life. You even have pride. I don't know. If you're using charm on me, you better tell me now. Emeka, better tell me now. Split it now. Let me know what I'm doing. Let me know. Because I don't understand it.
I don't have time for this your rant this night.
What do you mean by that?
Okay, I don't have time.
Emeka, where do you think you're going to? We are not done with this conversation. Come back here. Emeka, I am talking to you. Emeka, don't try me this night. Don't provoke me. You don't want to be unfortunate this night now. Everything is fine. You told me last time that your son wasn't feeling too well. How is he now? That one. He's just there. He has refused to hustle like his fellow men out there. CHIOMA, Emeka has rich friends that will connect him to endless stream of wealth. But he has refused to ask them for connection. Really? If he does not like money, me, I love money. So he will ask them for help. He has to. CHIOMA, what are you even saying? Asking your friend, your own friend, for ordinary help is not a big deal.
Hey, he has friends and he used to ask them for help. You should respect his decision now.
That is what I want, and he will do it.
You've been like this since you came. What's the problem?
Bro, I'm not fine. I'm not.
So, what could be the problem?
I want to upgrade my life. I want you to introduce me to your line of business.
I've been expecting this from you.
Really?
Of course.
But you never told me. I mean, you never mentioned it.
You know, there is something you don't tell a man. Oh, and that is make money. You don't tell a man to make money. It is never done anywhere.
Well, now I have told you. Will you help me?
What are friends for? Of course I will do that. I will gladly do that. But then, you know, there's this Igbo saying that Adara Bwaka Chiyana Taro. As you are now. Ufega Bagoka.
Sister. Ofema Bagoka sins, man.
And where I am coming from, Bofego, Esitofe. You understand?
Ofego, Esitofe.
On point.
I like this. I like this one.
Let's toast.
I like this.
2.
Ofego, Esitofe.
Ofego, Esitofe. You understand?
Ever since you got married, you've only sent money once.
Papa, it's like that's because we don't have money to send to you.
That means I should die of hunger because you don't have enough money to send to me. Huh?
But that's not what I'm saying.
Now you see the reason why I never wanted you to get married to a poor man. People like me are always at the receiving end. That is why I kicked against you marrying a poor man.
Papa, it's okay now. It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay. It's not okay.
I have heard you. I will send you money before weekend.
It's not about sending me money this weekend.
Papa, what do you want me to do?
It's all about me being comfortable as your father. It's about me eating what I want to eat whenever I want to eat it.
Okay. I've heard you. Anything you want me to do, I'll do it. Biko, you're stressing me too much, Papa.
You see the reason why we do not want our children to get married to poor men. Because we are always the one that will suffer for it.
Are the kids? I spoke with Clinton today.
You did what?
You heard me.
Okay, so what did he say?
He promised to introduce me to some of his business partners.
This is the best news of the day. Hey, so when is he going to do that?
I'll be traveling to Abuja over the weekend with him.
Odogumo! I'm going to love you forever. Hi! Are you serious? I love you so much, my darling husband. You're a very good man.
I am hungry.
You're hungry? Don't worry, I will quickly make something for you to eat. Just freshen up. I'm going to love you forever. And I will respect you forever. Anything you want, just tell me. I'll give you. If you want this one, I'll give you. Even this one, I'll still give you. Don't worry, I'm coming. Let me make something for you to eat. I'm coming now.
And waited. I didn't see your car. I decided to come and check on you at the park.
Oh yes, I lost my phone on my way to Abuja.
Really? How did it happen?
I guess that was while I was boarding to Abuja at the park.
That's too bad. But not to worry. I know very soon, in no distant time, you stop all these jumping from one bus to another. You'll be traveling by flight.
Ha! I pray so. Bro, I pray so. Suffer don't too much, oh. Kai. I've been meaning to ask you, what's the meaning of all this? Boss.
You might not understand. I call it upgrade.
How do you mean?
You see, when you are fully associated with us, everything you do, whatever business whatsoever, will start prospering. You don't even need to struggle to make money. Everything will just be falling into place.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Ha!
That's why I call it upgrade. All you just need to do is to calm down and relax.
Ah, boss, I'm relaxed though. I don't relax. If I sleep, they catch me for relaxing. Voila! Now,
Big things. Now, guy, is there nothing ritualistic about this whole thing?
No, not at all.
So it's no rituals, just normal doing things, not normal doings.
None of such. Come on, do I look like a ritualist?
No, now, come on, man. You're a smooth guy now.
Come on, Cyril, let me tell you. At the end of this meeting, you see all these things you see here? These drinks will just be nothing to you because you can afford even more.
Hey, come on, man. I'm dying of sad soup.
Relax. Master, here is my friend Emeka, the one I told you that will be coming from the east.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you, Master.
Are you conversant with the word? Auto, point and kill.
Yes, with the catfish stuff, you know, I am point and kill a catfish, so I know that part.
You kill a goat for us.
About goat, I know Emeka, my friend. Oh well, he can even do more than that. On the Mambu.
Why? You will take a cow, you book a cow. It's a cow.
Toboya! Strangle her. Ime we are one ne. Toboya! Toboya! Adenage. Toboya! 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 Ime muya!
You two think I'm bluffing, what? Miriam, you better not joke.
Mom, what is it?
Miriam.
To say you can one ne. Tinye moral to buonya. Toboya.
Miriam! Miriam, listen to me. Mom, listen, okay? Go and get me the carcass! Miriam!
The upgrade they work.
You've seen it. That's how it works. You see more contracts and bigger ones. Bigger ones are coming.
Man, it works so fast
and reliable. Very reliable.
You see the man that just paid in 80 million. Oh boy, I don't chase this guy for the past 2 years.
Really?
He no one see me. I don't want think I see me.
At least this to show you that your doors of money and wealth are now open. I tell you, like I said before, more contracts, bigger ones these days. You see bigger contracts. In fact, you'll get tired of receiving contracts.
I'm almost satisfied with the one I have now. I've struck deals of about 390 million in a short time. With just 5 clients.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good start. It's a good start because 390 million is still a chicken change, you know. Yeah, it's still a chicken change.
Also a chicken.
Just watch out. You see the kind of money that will come your way. Big money. If you check your account balance,
Man, you see, Ofego is it offer? I need you offer minutes sour.
Not possible. Not possible. Okay.
Yeah. I like your confidence when it comes to money making, man.
That's it.
I like your confidence.
If we miss our flight.
Please. Let's try fast before we miss our flight, prof.
If we miss our flight, there's no problem. We rent a private jet. One Nigeria charter.
Hey.
Full private jet. Even actually go for.
Ofego.
Is it offer? Is it easy?
I need you offer minutes sour.
Not possible.
Can you fall as well with this man? Okay? Ever since he left Abuja, I cannot be able to reach him. My love. You're welcome, my love. How did it go?
Miriam is dead. Miriam is dead and gone. She can never come back to me. My Miriam is dead. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I blame you for this. Now you see what your greed has cost me. You should have allowed me to live my simple life. You pushed me. You pressured me. Now my precious daughter is gone. Oh God.
But do you know how he made his money?
Do you know how he made his money? Emeka, how did he make his money that you cannot make? Eh? How? You're a full-grown man. You are capable. Emeka, if you want to make money, you will make money. Yes! You have all it takes to make money. I will advise you to talk to your friend. Beg him to help you. Emeka, beg your friend to link you up. You're being too lazy and it's annoying me.
Oh gosh. Alice, I'm not interested in his line of business. I'm comfortable in life.
And I am not comfortable. Emeka, I am not comfortable in life.
Now you know what Clinton does for a living, right? Now you can see.
I'm sorry, my love. I didn't know he was going to take our daughter's life. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
Sorry's not enough. Sorry's not enough. Oh, Miriam, forgive me. Oh, God.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for pushing you into this. It is totally my fault. And I am ready to accept whatever punishment you deem fit. I beg you. The only thing I ask of you is your forgiveness. Please. Please. Please.
Get up. Get up. I bear no grudges against you. The only problem is that our daughter is dead. And that has made me a sad man. And I'm gonna be a sad man all my life.
Sorry. I'm truly sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. There's no need to be sorry. What has happened has happened. We can kill ourselves. You know. It's okay. Come here. Come here. I got a house somewhere around town.
What? You did what?
We're moving out of the house by the weekend. This house seems already haunted.
How did you get money to buy a house?
Well, my dealings with a short time with those daredevils made me a huge millionaire, so...
I have always known you to be a great man. My love, forget what just happened. I am super excited that the greatness in you is beginning to manifest. I'm proud of you.
We're moving out of this house over the weekend. And we'll live with nothing.
What do you mean by that?
Levels has changed. Everything has changed.
I love it when you sound like this. Have you seen the reason why I call you Agonabo? The Odogu himself. Nwoke Kajara Akaja. The finest man in this whole world. I love you so much, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't like it. I love it.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad you love it, okay? Expect nothing good, nothing but the best from Daddy, okay?
This is beautiful. I love you. I love you. No way. This is much better than the house we had in the village.
Come on, let's go inside.
This is heaven.
This is extraordinary.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is beautiful.
Anything money can afford, I will afford you, my girl. Yep.
My love, you are the man of the year. One. Baby, this is... What more can I ask for?
Have you seen the kitchen?
Not yet, baby.
I'll advise you go check it out.
This way, right?
That way. That's right.
See what I'm seeing.
I'm in danger because of what? Lack of contentment, desperation, impatience.
You are playing with fire.
I am resolute on my words. I am firm.
Don't start a fight. You can't finish.
Contentment, desperation, impatience. They want to have it all by all means, without thinking. While I day, trouble day, if I not so
Mom, why is Dad not on the journey with us?
Dad is a very busy man. And his business most times doesn't allow him to eat the same time with us.
What kind of business does he do?
Darling, when you're old enough, I will tell you. I will not hesitate to tell you when you're old enough, okay?
What if I am asked to write about what my father does for a living? How will I write?
Just tell them that your father is a businessman. A successful one at that.
Okay, Mom.
Darling, that reminds me. By next week Monday, we are going to involve you in another school. A better one.
Yay!
You have it?
Yes.
Alright, it's it.
Desperation, impatience. They want to have it all by all means, without thinking. While I day, trouble day, if I not so never wake up.
told you I'm done with you and everything that concerns you. I told you.
That is impossible.
More than possible. Listen, the exchange is done. Took my daughter and you gave me wealth. So what do you want? Everything is settled. I don't want you in my business again. Go your way, and I go my way.
Once you are in, no going out. Ofegu,
I chose him on Forzo. Ofagugo. I chose him on Forzo. Now, bata you the yarn. You hear me? I hate dramas. I hate drama. I hate drama. Why are you disappearing? Why don't you stay and stand like a man you are? I hate jokes, and if this is drama, you better stop it. Open his gates!
Lack of contentment, desperation, impatience. They want to have it all by all means, without thinking. While I day, trouble day, if I know so while I day, trouble day, if I need to go for, you get his NOSA maka, all who balance you, if I need to go for. California na salon no keje wata lele munamo. Everybody's in a hurry. Nobody wanna wait anymore. Nobody wanna wait for God's time.
Casey, are you okay? Daddy promised to take me to school, but he disappointed.
I know, my darling. Daddy has an emergency to attend to at the office. That was why he left very early.
Mom, I just noticed that Daddy has been busy lately. He never has time for anybody and he's never happy anymore.
Darling, Daddy has a lot to deal with. And Daddy's taking the whole of his time.
I'm not happy, Mom.
Casey, why are you not happy?
Daddy never has time for me.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. When Daddy comes back this evening, we are going to sort it out.
You mean it?
Yes, my love.
Okay, Mom.
Many families are in danger because of what?
What exactly do they want from you?
They want me to continue with them.
And what did you say to them?
I told them I'm out, and that's final. There's a little problem.
What's the problem?
They have vowed to deal with me if I refuse to come back.
Then, that is where my pastor will come in. Yes.
I don't understand. So, that's my story, Pastor.
You know, as you were narrating your story, the Lord revealed it to me.
You were lured into this cult by deception.
Exactly, Pastor. If I had known it was a secret cult, I would not dare. I would never get involved. I won't be seen with them.
So, Pastor, what is the way forward? Because they have vowed to kill him.
Oh yes. And they will stop at nothing until they kill him.
Oh, Jimmy. Pastor, please. Something must be done about this. I don't want to lose my husband. Please.
There is a way.
Pastor.
If you must reject the devil, you must reject everything that comes from the devil.
Pastor, we have rejected everything that came from him. That's why we called you to help us. Please.
This house. Yes, the cars, all the money, they belong to the cult. The cult represents the devil. Brother Emeka, to avoid death, you must forfeit everything. Yes.
Pastor, it's not very clear. Pastor, are you saying that we are going to move out of this mansion, sell our cars, and then empty his account? Is that what you're saying? Pastor, please. There must be another way out. Even if it's fasting and praying, we will do it, no matter how long it is. Please, Pastor.
Praise God. You don't have to sell the cars and the house. As a matter of fact, my church has a foundation, a charity foundation. Yes, Brother Emeka. By faith, you can move all this to the charity. Yes, and I promise you, in the name of God, in due time, the Lord will replenish you. Amen.
Pastor, please. Pastor, we can... you should do something about this now, because, you know, we cannot move... Pastor, we have suffered in this life. How can you say we should move out from this house now? Baby, you're not saying anything.
Sister, the Lord is in control. Listen, the hard way is the only way, and that's the way of the Lord. Have faith.
Eh?
I'll do it.
Amen.
What? You do what?
Pastor, as a matter of fact, I'll just go upstairs and get the papers to this house. The car keys, the papers to the cars, and please send me the accounts that I would forward all these monies to, okay? Wokedindu. Ogakbatego. I'll do it.
Baby, not to. Baby, not to.
Brother Emeka, you are a man of faith. There is an already made account for that. Like I said, the Lord will replenish you. Amen. By faith.
Okay.
Baby, not to.
Praise God.
When you don't send me food, I'll just leave. How long will it take you to make the indomie now?
Everybody's in my Nobody wanna
My egg is coming, they went to buy it. Yes. Okay. Madam, hurry up now. I am coming, oh. I am coming. Anyway. I gave you okay, give me water.
I better hurry up. I'm going somewhere.
If I know so
Biko, come and help me. Emeka, come now. Don't see you guys when I can't. Biko, come help me here.
What is it you want?
Emeka, come and be place for me. I'm coming in there anyway.
But allow me to rest now. I'm just coming down from work. And you just come here to give me
there is no time to rest. There is no time to rest. You go for nothing, man. Come and help me. Give me a cup of water. Give me a cup of water. Bring place for me. I'm coming. Bring plates inside this place now.
This is where the plate is now. This is the plate now.
I am coming.
This is the plate now.
I'm coming. What is the water? That's what you want. I give you the water. You're very foolish man. You cannot do one single thing straight, Emeka. Where is the water, Emeka? Where is the water, Emeka?
Which of them do you want?
I asked you to give me spoon. Give me spoon, this man. Look at his cow. You cannot even keep your cow. You cannot even keep your cow very well. One single thing you cannot do right. Give me. You cannot do one single thing straight. Give me, senor. Give me your water. Very foolish man. Give me one spoon. Give me two spoons. If I didn't sit and break your head now, don't sound wicked. Emeka, see me here. Disrespecting me here. I am coming. Sorry, I'm coming. Give me water. Wash the plate.
Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like a not be man again. Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like a not be man again. Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like it not be man again. Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like it not be man again. Desperation, ebenine, no do pass yourself. Perfect way that them was no be your fault at all. Desperation, ebenine, no do pass yourself. Maluba no fair. She was poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like a not be man again. Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like a not be man again. Poverty na disease, na disease, when they make a man like a not be man.
I'm just coming now. Let me relax first before you start me around. I'm just coming.
Did you wash the plate? Did you wash the plate, Emeka? Emeka, you did not wash it. You've been here and you could not wash the plate.
Allow me to relax now.
Please, start going. You can't wash the plate.
Stop now. I'm just coming back from work. Let me relax more before you start sending me around. Okay, I work now.
Which work?
I get to job.
Work. So if they ask people that works now to come out now, you will jump out. No, get put down. Oh no, Kada. Upon door up now, get jump out. As in, get like a puta. Go and wash that plate. Very soon, our customers will start coming now, and you don't expect me to use my eyes and serve them food. Please be going. Don't add to my problems, I beg. Start going. Get a name. Start going. Did you bring Cassie back from school? Emeka, did you bring Cassie back from school?
Oh, I wanted to relax and go and get Cassie. Why is she giving me stress now? He said I should wash plate. I want to wash plate. What is the problem?
Wash it, full grown man. You cannot do one single thing that you cannot get it straight. Be washing it. Don't make it, Mary. I'll go to the market, I'll do this one, I'll go for you. You open your white mouth and eat it.
All she wants but you know do pass yourself because of ego. Watch your ego. Chop money. It doesn't matter how you get them. All she wants the money. Desperation they kill her. It can lead you to destruction. Watch your ego. Watch your ego. Chop money. Watch your ego. It doesn't matter how you get them. All she wants the money. And I'm not your ego. Papaya your ego. Watch your ego. Chop money. It doesn't matter how you get them. All she wants the money.
Emeka, if are you playing with me? Eh?
Just let me eat before I go to fetch water. What is this now?
You're a very foolish man. Emeka, all the food that you've been eating ever since we got married, what have you achieved? Eh? I am asking you, what have you achieved, Emeka? Go and fetch water. Now eat. Have I eaten? You want to eat? Emeka, go and fetch water. Go. Stand up, get up. Go and fetch water. How did I even get married to somebody like you? How? Eh? Did you use that on me, Emeka? I'm asking you, did you? Be going.
I've not eaten anything. I just said let me eat food and then go and I can fetch your water after the food.
Emeka, how did I even get married to you? How? Are you using time on me? Shebi, I've asked you this question. Shebi, I've asked you this question before. Emeka, are you using that on me? Are you? Go and fetch this water. Stupid man. How did I get involved with you, Emeka? How? You want to eat? The only thing you know how to do in this life is to eat. Every day, if you eat food, you will eat at least. At least. That is all you know how to do. For this man. How do you even get married to this man? You want to eat? Have I eaten? Have I eaten?
My daughter.
Papa.
I've been meaning to ask you some questions.
Go ahead.
Now that your husband has been buried, what next?
I'll move on with my life.
On what capacity?
Papa, I'll go back to the city and also Casey will stay back here with you.
That's a good idea. God will protect you safely back to the city.
Car, this mansion, and the excess money in your account. How did it happen?
You know, I knew you were going to ask that. But then you forget that what God cannot do doesn't exist.
Look, I know this is the Lord's doing, right? But
And it's marvelous in our eyes. Come on, drink up.
Okay, I'm happy for you all the same.
Thank you so much. And now, that brings me to the real deal. What do you have for me?
Anything you want, however you want it, I'm here for you. Just mention it.
Aha! then? You know, you're ready for me. Come on.
Who are you? Are you foolish? Will you shut your gutter?
Sister Alice, please excuse us. Please.
You better don't keep me waiting. Bastard, you bastard. So this is it. This was all it's about. Listen, I need you to go in there and get my husband's keys. I need you to get the keys to his cars and this house documents. Right now.
You know you're asking for the impossible. This house, the cars, the money. Have you forgotten that you and your husband gave it to charity?
You're a criminal. A very foolish man. Have I forgotten that we gave it to the charity?
Alice, if you're done with what you came here for, look at the door. Leave. You were there when your ritualist husband gave the car and the houses and the money to charity.
You are very stupid.
They no longer belong to you.
My ritualist husband. Yet you're enjoying his wealth. You're a thief.
Sister Alice, my God, Adabari Fund. You heard me. My God doesn't refund money.
I knew you were going to behave like a thief that you are. Yes, I knew it. But guess what? I came here with 2 trucks filled with Mopo men. You think I'm bluffing? You think I'm playing with you? Onyoshi.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You're mad. You're a very foolish man to ask me that question. Let me finish this call.
Wait, just wait.
Relax now, let me make this call now.
It hasn't gotten to that. Sister Alice, wait, the car, the house, all the documents, they are here. I'll give it to you, please.
And the money? You will give me the money as well?
Yes, and the money.
Yes, relax. Wait. I'm coming. Hold on.
Please, Sister Alice.
Onyoshi.
The money, about the money, it's no longer complete.
Go and bring what you have.
Please, calm down. Please, I'll give you everything. Both the money, everything, the house documents, they're all here. I'll give you. Huh? We don't have to have any fracas between us, please. Please.
You give me everything?
Yes. And the remainder of the money.
You're a thief. Very big thief.
There. Alice!
Auntie CHIOMA!
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm okay. Is your mother inside?
No, she went to the city.
City kwa? To do what in the city?
I don't know. She didn't tell me.
Okay, is Papa inside?
Yes, he's sleeping in his room.
Okay. Let him know that I came, yeah?
Okay.
I'll be going now, so if your mom comes, tell her that I came.
Okay, I'll tell her.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
You would have been in jail by now. Just thank your stars. Leave.
While day, trouble day, if I not so while day, trouble day, if I need to OKAFOR.
But Alice, I really like you. I have a deep feeling for you. Even when your husband was still alive. But it felt awkward then to say it. Please. I'm being serious. I really do care for you.
Like seriously? Are you being serious right now? Because I didn't send you to jail?
None of that, Alice. This is coming from my heart. From the deepest part of my heart. I really love and care about you. I know you don't have any reason to believe me after what happened. But look, Alice, deep inside my heart, this man right here, I really care for you. Please, just give me a chance to show you how much I love you. Alice, please. Please. I love you. Everything in me cares about you. Alice, please. I truly care about you. Just look into my eyes. Whatever I'm telling you is coming from my heart. Just give me a chance. I want to care for you. Please. I want to love you the right way. Just give me a chance. I know you don't have any reason to believe me, but I will protect you. I will give my life for you. I'll do everything for you, please. I really love you. Please, Alice, I'm begging you. Please, just give me a chance. I know I don't deserve it, but please. I keep thinking about you. I even wanted to reach out before now, but I was scared. Please. I really love you. I really just want to make it up to you, show you how much I deeply care about you. Please. Just forgive me. I know I did lots of wrong. I know I offended you, but just give me a chance. I'll make it up to you. I'll change everything.
While day, trouble day, if I not so while day, trouble day, if I need to OKAFOR. He get his NOSA maka, ngolu balance yo, if I need to OKAFOR. If I need NOSA, no, get it with the lile bunamo. Many families are in danger because of what? Lack of contentment, desperation.
What is it? Why are you tormenting my life? Why?
Do you really want to know? He's feeding you egg. Fake pastor. Fake pastor. Choke on the egg. That water will choke you. Will choke you. Cough. You are coming with me. You see. Just because my son, he's well fed. That's the only reason why I can save you this night. Stupid man. Jump on that chicken. Fake pastor. Fake pastor. Oh, you fake pastor. You will rust in hell. You will rust with Lucifer. You will rust in hell. Fake pastor. So you resumed in my house, right? He called you honey. Would you answer him? Dare call him honey. Dare to call him back honey. You see what I will do to you. He's caressing you. He's caressing you. Fake pastor. Uncle Kabagi. Rust in hell with Lucifer, you fake man. Imposter called pastor. Evil pastor. Choke on that egg. Choke.
Why didn't you tell me about all this while?
I was thinking it's something I could handle on my own.
No. This kind of a thing is not something you handle on your own. That is why I'm here.
I'm frustrated. I'm tired. This thing is going to drive me crazy. I'll go mad.
Honey, look at me. Look into my eyes. I will never let anything happen to you. I promise.
I hope so.
See, there's this place I'll take you, and all this will be a thing of the past.
Really?
Sweetheart, you're looking good. And I always feel like an angel anytime you're the one driving.
Good.
Yeah. Like I said, you are a gift from heaven. And I'm very lucky. No, I'm not. Of course, I enjoyed myself today.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Jesus!
What? What? Why did you stop like that?
He was here. He
was where?
Right here.
You saw him there? You would have run him over now. It would have been his second death. Run him over.
Oh my God.
Is he still there?
No.
Yeah, just calm down. Try and start the car, let's go. He will not do anything. If I was there, I would have just run him over. Just calm down, start the car, let's go.
Cow monsters. And where do you think you're going? I don't need it. Now, go back. Go back! Now! This is just a guy, man. He's not a pastor. He's taking you to a dibia. Native doctor. Yes. Ask him if you think I'm lying. Ask him. Catch yourself. Now go back. Go back home and tell Casey what you did. How you had a hand in my death. Now!
I'm going.
What is it?
We have to go now. We have to go back.
Where are we going?
We have to go. We have to go.
Go back where?
We have to go. We have to go. Please, we have to go back. We have to go back. Okay.
Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful.
What are you singing?
Singing for my baby.
You.
You know, when I think about you,
Okay.
think about heaven.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at you. Look at you, playing Romeo and Juliet on my matrimonial bed.
Honey, what is it? What is it? What is it?
Tell him to leave now. You belong to me.
Emeka, leave this woman alone. You are dead and gone. Anywhere you are, just leave her alone.
How dare you interfere in my matrimonial home? You pay for this. Go to Casey and tell him the role you played in my death.
No.
Else I'll choke.
No. I cannot do that.
Yes, you can. And you must.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
It's either you go or I'll choke you.
No, please. Don't choke me. I'll go.
Please, I have a confession to make.
What happened?
He said push the father to an early grave.
What did he do?
I pushed him into doing what he was not supposed to do. Because of my desperation for good life. I pushed him. I did.
But why did you push him to that extent?
Your father got involved in a ritual that killed your sister. It took the life of your sister Miriam. It wasn't intentional. Listen, Casey, I only wanted good life for you and your sister. And myself. I never knew it was going to get to that extent. I promise you, I didn't know. I'm sorry. Casey, I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
You do? Thank you.
Please. I beg you. I am truly sorry. Please forgive me. You in the name of God, I'm so sorry. Please, I beg you. Please forgive me. For the sake of Casey, your son. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I am truly sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Please. Sorry.
Vengeance is of the Lord.
Wala day, trouble day. If I not so ne mumwebuo. Wala day, trouble day. If I get a cough, he gets in NOSA maka. Ngolu balusio. If I get a cough. Opifonye na salone nuwa keje wete lilebu na mo. Many families are in danger because of what? Lack of contentment.